Every time a freakout starts, people record.
What are you recording me for?
But some of these flyers take it so far that the entire cabin turns against them.
Let me bastards go to hell!
This is Idiot Encounters.
Yeah, you guys did nothing wrong. No, you shut the up. You shut the man, you're you shut the film me. I'm Instagram famous, you bum. Shut the
The woman thought she could bully mask-wearing passengers. The plane's crew showed that harassment won't be tolerated, and she was removed mid-drama.
Everybody dies, you know that? Everybody dies. If it's Freakout or not, everybody dies. Everybody dies. That's the only thing that's real.
shut up.
No. Chill out.
Ladies and gentlemen.
What's more? Go ahead.
Hey everyone, we're
Go ahead. Say it again.
Everyone needs to stay seated.
Well, you know what?
I'm
an immigrant.
I'm from Mexico. Okay, you just called her.
100%.
Put your hands on me.
I will not.
No, sit down.
I will not. I will not. Fuck you. God bless you.
God bless
Could
you.
you
No,
let
don't
my dog?
touch him.
No, you need to get her off this plane.
Can confirm she called her a racial slur.
Call
Yeah.
me.
Really? Can you confirm that? Can you confirm that? Thank you.
Sure, I don't care. Yeah, we can leave.
Hey folks, just want to take a quick update here. We got to return to the gate real quick to take care of a situation. Hopefully we get you guys this airplane back turned around and
It fell off his face and we apologized and fixed it. It wasn't good enough for them. They won't tell you what it took me off. That's all that happened. I'm sorry. We don't know what happened. And this Frank with JetBlue won't tell me why. So, it's okay. Everyone,
Goodbye.
let it go viral. We're going to do this for shit. What's your last name?
Bye.
Frank, what's your last name? Everyone I know is an attorney. I'm Bacardi. Have you heard of that?
Of course everyone you know is an attorney. Popcorn, anyone?
Where I'm from?
What are you from?
What?
What are you from?
What am I film?
Yeah.
I'm finna film that.
Oh, film that? Oh, yeah. Funny kind of, yeah.
I'll be
Yeah, what's up?
I'll knock you out for sure.
Oh, yeah, for sure, man.
I'll knock
Yeah,
you out,
for sure, man.
For sure.
We'll get out, we'll get your camera off.
Watch
Yeah,
out.
what the
Watch out. I'll knock you out.
Yeah.
Get a bounce. What?
Yeah, we'll come. Get out.
I'll knock your
Yeah, you're drunk girl, dude. I'm gonna get out. Come on, we'll have a one-on-one, eh?
When?
Right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated.
When we get off.
Seek for your cooperation. Thank you.
Get the Josefina.
The crew has a job to keep everyone safe. When this woman became violent, they did what they had to do, and now she's dealing with the legal consequences.
Can you put my music on? Yeah. Music calms me. Music saves my soul. I don't trust Metro though. Because is trying to kill me.
Can I play my music? The handcuffs are hurting me.
What stuff do you have that's yours?
All right there, sir.
We'll make sure we get it, okay?
Give me my music. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Stand up. Okay, we're going that way.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Why are you holding me like this? I'm not resisting. How am I resisting? You have me in handcuffs. How am I resisting?
I have to get my bag.
Get your bag and
Whoa.
go.
You're a loser. No, she took care of you. Hey, at least she's taking care of her. Hey, you take care of your kids? Take care of your kids. Worry about yourself.
No, I'm not playing. Go.
You started this.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hey. Assault. Abuse. Go to the cops. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey. Don't touch me. Nobody touched you. You touched me.
He's not gonna cry the whole time.
We can put you on the next flight. What? We can put you on the next flight. No, we can't. I have to you can do a 7:30
Your name?
Tabitha 9766.
Thank you, Tabitha. You may not have a job tomorrow.
I want this lady.
No, I can't. I can't, Tabitha. I have to. I apologize. Please, no. I apologize. All right. I apologize. I have to be on this flight. Thank you, Tabitha.
She was screaming at the
I'm not screaming. I'll be quiet now, please. Okay? I'm sorry. I was really stressed out. Please, Tabitha. Thank you.
This is my microphone. This is mine. You can't take it. I tried borrowing yours.
She grabbed the intercom and started screaming about the virus, frightening everyone on board. The crew removed her before the panic could spread any further.
It's all because humans had lost a little bit of faith. You're gonna cuff me? You're gonna cuff me? Yes. I don't need to be taken anywhere. I don't need to be cuffed. I'm completely harmless. Also, I think you're all enjoying this because, like I said, I'm not terrible to look at.
Come cuff me. Miss what? I'm gonna miss my flight for what? Who did I offend? Raise your hand if I offend everybody. Right here.
Right here.
What did I do to you? What did I say?
You better not say Look at me now. You should be offended your yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Before that, then what? Shut your mouth and sit down. You're gonna get locked up. I didn't.
You're doing it now, though. You tripping.
So now everybody's gonna suffer.
No, that's not.
Because somebody, one person complains, so now what's up?
No, listen, you out your I don't feel like no Karen ass. Universally, publicly mess you up.
I think he's got a bag.
No, that's what I was just about to ask.
Yeah, I saw him put it with somebody.
So I can beat it right back down.
Do you have a bag you want to grab or anything before you get off?
Don't attack me with two individuals against one.
Is he sitting down?
Yeah,
No, they're gonna have to.
I didn't hit anyone, so yeah, it's okay. Raising my voice to a female, I'll see about it with you, Kike.
With what?
You as a human, and just because I'm sitting down and I'm lower than you. Yeah, I'm sitting down and because I'm sitting down and lower. You want to be a tough guy, bro? I'm moving. Hey, you know what and stuff? No, it's all you all teaming up. You see how most of the people are white here? Yeah, so you were like, I'm trying to get to my home country and you all people made it harder.
Because you're pointing at me. Stop yelling at me. You're pointing at my face when you say that. And you're pointing at my face. Because you're pointing at me first.
You know what? This is the reason
I don't care.
Not only for
I
you.
don't listen to you. Give me a break. I'm not British. I'm not British. I'm not British. I'm not British. Oh my God. Please. You got it right. I'm not British. Hey, look to it with the American citizens. I don't see food. I like that gesture. Not finish food.
30 minutes is a long time to keep someone pinned down on an aircraft. The odd laughter after landing showed how unpredictable and unsettling the whole event was.
You're gonna kick me out the flight for all these.
Sir, come and grab your bag.
It's one of these. I don't know. It's one of these. Well, let's keep searching. Let's look for the bag.
Alright, sir, grab your bag.
The Swedish man bag. What do you want?
It's for you to grab your bag. What color is it?
That's a black.
A black bag.
Yeah, obviously I'm a white male that picked a black bag because I'm racist.
Alright.
You're kicking me off the plane because I'm racist. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I'm a little intoxicated tonight.
This one, sir. Switch here.
That like they didn't accept that, and that sounds like a damn problem. Go ahead and call the police. What the actual? I stopped after that. I stopped after the second warning. It's okay for me to play a 30-second video. Yes, please record me. Listen, hey, is this not a free speech America? Or like are we being literally everybody? I know. I am keeping the peace. Can I not express my feelings? Can I not express my feelings? Okay, thank you. I am doing this. Okay, thank you for recording me. I played a video for 30 seconds. Come on. I'll get off peacefully. Don't clap.
It's time to go.
Oh my gosh.
Somebody take a crack.
You got the right one.
You
got the right one. Pop on me.
I can't. There's like 3
Pop on me.
There are 3 people.
I will pop on you. I promise you.
They need to quit clapping when I got off the goddamn plane. You ain't gonna do
Go back to your business.
Get her off the plane.
Bye, Karen. Bye, Karen. Your privilege.
Bye, Shaniqua. Bye, Shaniqua.
You walk off the plane.
You can be racist. Get her off. Don't put
Now.
hands on me.
Go.
Please, will that
Go.
be?
That's fine. Keep going.
I want. Oh my God.
I'll grab your bag. Let's go.
Doesn't matter. You have an hour. It's not that hard. Believe me. I'm not gonna have you make all these other people get mad. Now I'll call over that gate and I won't let you get on the plane if you don't settle down.
You don't have to send
I understand. I live here. I work here. I know how big the airport is.
Yes.
Do you live here?
Do you also know that our flight was canceled twice?
Well, I don't know about that one, but I know this one's leaving at 4 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. You have 1 hour to get there. And if you don't settle down, I'm going to have somebody take you off this aircraft, but it's not going to be going to your next one. You understand me? You're not the only people on this aircraft.
Everybody wants you off, dude.
Okay, I got this, guys.
You want to chime in, guys?
No.
Yeah. So if your wife is over there talking to another dude, man, you're just gonna sit there and take it out. I don't but yet you feel like you can talk to me? Is that fair? Is that fair? Don't. I'm just protecting myself from this nut job. You're running your out. Nut job. You're running out.
$1 for a slice.
All right, guys.
Put your down, you douchebag. Are you like 80? You still filming people? Don't make me throw my food at you. Just make a point. I'm gonna need all you guys. Put your phone down. I'm gonna need all you guys. Put your phone down.
What's the threat about that? Get out of my way. Ain't no threat. You know what a threat is? Goofy as hell. You put a bitch, your job, mind your mouth. You have mind your mouth. 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 Just leave me. Just leave me. Yo, that's my mama boy. That's your own mother. Your mother. Your grandmother. Your mother, your grandmother, you can see that you're for your not she won't come with us. Come on, fucking bastard. Your grandmother, your mommy, everybody, your family. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Oh my God, she must. Oh my God, sit on this seat.
Creating chaos on a flight ruins it for everyone. The crew handled the situation, and the police finished the job once the plane touched down.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Stop.
He didn't start that. They started that. My dad did not start that.
Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Are you going to exit the aircraft, sir? Are you going to exit the aircraft, sir?
Your understanding is that I am on.
Are you going to exit the aircraft, sir?
I have.
Sir, I'm going to ask you one more time.
How
Will you
many
please
times
exit
are
the
you gonna
aircraft?
ask me? No. That's not necessary. That is not necessary. But
Sir, you're trespass from Delta Airlines. They told you they did not want you on the plane. You refused to comply.
Yo, buddy, I put this before you. And you don't gotta choke somebody. You don't gotta choke somebody to remove
Stay back, ma'am.
You don't gotta choke somebody and put a chokehold on it. Put your arm on my throat. Can I take my glasses off? Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, the police officers are coming forward. They're going to have to exit the wing from the wing that. Thank you, sir.
Every second he argued, the flight's departure faced delay. The crew cut the chaos short and physically removed the man.
Look like we want to do something. Get it? Alright, now I want to do something, I do.
Three. Can we clap? Can you start the clap, Kendall? Start the clap. Start the clap, Kendall.
Just leave. We have flights to get. Jesus.
You guys suck. My parents are reported $2 million goddamn dollars. And you know what? You suck. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? My grandpa is reporting your attorney. Shut up. No. Chill out. You're savage.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Respect that lady right there. She a real one. Lady the real one.
You're not even from Philly. We don't have to argue with you. Oh!
I am.
Oh my God.
they doing all that? Fuck no. Who they doing? They got that in their feet. Damn. That's all right. $8,000 in my teeth, and I invest $8,000. Just plain everybody. That much you can buy another flight. Just plain everybody. I have a top lawyer. My husband is a top lawyer for Chicago. Yes, I want the lawyer. Get some bag up. I'm trying to be reasonable here. Hold on, you gotta get my good look. Hold on, let's watch my phone. Wait, don't end it. Oh, don't end it. Don't end the video. You recorded me, right? I paid twice for this airplane ticket. I did not do nothing. All I did was change my sanitary pad in a bathroom.
Everybody, the situation is, if she refuses to come out, protocol is everybody has to go out. Never gonna
You don't tell me. Get off the plane. You can't.
My daughter got epilepsy. My daughter got seizures. I don't give a y'all feeling about this. I was going to jail about my daughter. My daughter.
You going to jail about your mother. You never gonna get there. You never gonna get there.
I was in the bathroom. She left the door open. While I had my pants down. She got mad because I said she had a synthetic wig on. She in her feelings.
Tell her to get off. Tell your lawyer on the phone when you get off the plane.
Is y'all gonna put me get off the plane about my daughter? I gotta get to my child just like I gotta get to y'all.
Everybody's gonna be in
if I'm going to jail, if I
no, the captain doesn't want you.
Get the
I like that with my money or my child.
You think that man playing about the money, girl? He's gonna give you that damn money.
Then you can have it when you come out.
No, put the money in my hand.
I'm about to see. I just we all got somewhere to go.
If you put it in my I'm not gonna lie to you or get up on my seat. I'm gone.
Enjoy your day, your daughter. Do you need to call it when you get there?
No.
All right.
Thank you, sir. We love you, sir, back here in the back.
You used to taking money from me. Next time you'll learn to shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
Girl, please get off the damn video. Please get off the damn video.
Oh my God.
So their policy is if you're not going to abide, you're going to have to get off the plane. You have to be.
Well, then they can remove me off the plane.
You and your whole
So then
family.
it's going to be a federal offense, and then you and your wife will be in jail, and your kids will be.
Okay. So my kid, wait. So my wife, we're gonna be in jail, and my kids are gonna be what?
It's a federal offense if you don't abide by.
I bought that seat.
Okay, I understand it's on Mason. My Mason's out here.
Right.
So you
Right. I paid. I got him a ticket on another flight so that my son would have a seat. And you're saying you're just gonna give that away to someone else that when I paid for that seat, that's not right.
I just want to introduce myself. I'm Jenna. I'm in charge. I know you guys are frustrated. Hi. I'm sorry. I already know the situation. I've heard your accident. I know the man. Other than what's going on, is there anything else I can do? I know you guys are frustrated now. Basically what it comes down to is not adultable, it's FAA because he's 2 and under.
Okay, I got a solution. He can sit in her lap.
Right.
Okay. And then we can take off, and then we can put him back in the car seat. That's what the FAA rules are.
No.
Clifton! From Clifton, bro. Come on.
And what is your designation?
The pilot.
No, you're ridiculous. You stole something without asking. She stole it. You can't take things without asking.
Is it stealing?
Yes, that is stealing. Absolutely.
Is it stealing?
Absolutely. Yes, it's stealing. You're giving it back because I caught you and everybody else saw you. That's why. Everybody else said you took it. What, you can't afford a charger?
Then you got up again.
No, you didn't. No more testing than that.
Don't know what there was almost no Hey, you stole my phone. You stole my phone? You don't know. You don't know. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I'm allowed to record. Give me my phone. You can't do that. That's illegal. Okay, I'll get up. Stop. Get up. Let's go. Give me my phone. Dude, get your phone and get off the plane. Get up. Stop. I'm getting up. Stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, with your bag. Put the bag.
I'm fine. Stop. I'm fine.
I'm right here. You can
Blocking someone's passage is aggressive enough. Pretending to be under attack while doing so pushed the situation from strange into pure chaos.
Ma'am, I'm trying to.
I'm watching you attack her. You go out of here. Excuse me, I work here, ma'am. Well, I need to get off the aircraft, please.
Hey, y'all living. She won't let us get by, ma'am. What is wrong with you? I would hate to be your daughter and have to go home with you. No wonder she's back. Grab our seat, please. You know what? You need to be real careful because I haven't said anything to you. I haven't said anything to you all. Don't say anything to get out. They won't let my daughter. And I need, I'm not getting my No, why they can't let her come first?
They're trying to come from the back of the plane and get off first.
Why did she come from the back of the plane?
That's what row she was in.
But why they can't let her pay? You haven't been on this plane long enough, lady? Mind your business. Mind your. I'm sorry. Nobody said nothing to you. And you got the problem solver. You are not the problem solver. You are not the problem solver. You are the problem. You're the problem. No, you are the problem. No, she acted out of the and I asked her, I'm quiet security, and I asked her, I'm sorry. But we're all trying to get out. We said it.
bottom line is, the airline said the plane's not going anywhere. We can go out there and talk about it. One thing is we're sitting right here doing nothing. It's not going to accomplish a thing.
It's not, and it's not right that they're treating me this way because of their actions.
If you're not getting off the plane, it's not flying. And you're going to have 200 people
Uh-oh. Yeah, I heard you say.
No, do you understand it?
I said I heard you.
Do you understand it?
Y'all hear this?
Do you understand what two options are?
I'm not going to ruin your birthday.
I'm not going to ruin your birthday.
Then you pointing. Don't point your finger at us.
Or you leave.
Don't point your finger at us.
You got it?
Don't point your finger at us.
So which is it? Tell me now, which is it?
Tell you what, the hat is off. There's nothing to tell you. The hat is right here in my lap.
For the entire flight.
The hat is in my lap.
For the entire flight. It will not be worn the entire flight.
It's in my lap.
I didn't answer that. I see where it is.
The hat is in my lap.
Tell me.
You asked me to take the hat off. The hat's in my lap.
Tell me it's off for the entire flight.
The hat's in my lap.
1001, 1002. I got 6 kids. I raised 10 kids. I know better.
The hat, I'm not a child, sir. The hat is in my lap.
Okay. So you agree not to wear it or post that hat the entire flight. Is that correct?
Post the hat with. The hat's in my lap.
And you're past
You asked me to take the hat off. The hat's in my lap.
We have an agreement.
The hat's in my lap.
Okay. I can go up, make a phone call, and...
Sir, I'm trying to do...
Sit down. Sit down. Enough. You don't put your hands on my flight attendant. Enough.
Yep.
You hear me?
Yep.
You stay right there. You stay right there.
My bag is... No, that's
I need to go.
She stood up to leave the aircraft. Someone else blocked her path, claimed her bag was trapped, and refused to move until witnesses ordered her out. Hit the like button if you knew that blocked path was never about the bag.
I feel so urgent.
Ma'am, he's getting up. He's getting up. Okay, please. Okay, do you want to go forward or are you...
I need to go
to the bathroom.
Please step to the
Yeah,
back.
what are you doing?
Please step to the back. Hold on, ma'am. Hold on.
Such a jerk.
So go ahead.
You are sucks.
Please.
I'll report you.
But that's fine. But I need my son to be near me. My husband has autism, he can sit by himself. So if you have to put me in that very last spot and I just won't get up, that's fine. But I thank the captain. Can you help me with this? Throw that wherever?
Well, I mean, but you're making so many demands.
No.
I don't know where to go at this point.
Just
You're
go.
saying-
Just leave. I mean, just go. Take off. I'll deal with it afterwards.
Well, we're not going to have this chaos in the air.
Oh, it's not chaos.
It is.
Well, I'm hearing impaired, so I'm sorry if I sound chaotic.
Okay. Here's your son and your dad
Somebody's
together.
Somebody's using God's name and name behind me. I'll be quiet and I'll just sit here. I'll just sit here and be quiet. Can you please help me?
I can.
Because we
can.
can't.
No, I
Yes,
will.
sir. Can you please help me so we can go?
It's not his responsibility. I'm here to help, but I'm not going to sit here and be berated.
I am not trying to berate you.
Here you go.
Thank you. That hit my foot.
Please stop. Please stop the plane. Please stop the plane. What's going on? She's trying to open the door. She tried to open this door. Please stop. Please stop the plane. Please stop the plane. My boyfriend is a felon. I thank him. Can you please stop the plane? No, stop.
Hey,
Relax. Please talk to me.
Can we just please have everyone sit down?
My boyfriend is a pilot. I sent a voice about the sound. He said, please stop, open the door.
No, it's an airless. It's a hair balance. It happens
You sure?
Positive.
Positive. You're flying this plane for 4 years. She's calling. It happens every time. I'm sorry I'm scaring you. Can we? Yeah. We're gonna
okay? Sorry. What's wrong?
Okay, can you call the captain? We need to go back. The sound is the flap.
Is this your dog?
Yes, it's my dog.
Okay. Captain's requesting that you get off the flag, so you'll need to take your dog with you.
And I want my money back before I get off this plane.
No, you're going to get off first, and then you can discuss getting a refund.
This is the most awful place. This is the worst
Hey,
airplane I have ever been in. And
Hey, listen. You're holding up this whole plane.
I don't care. You're holding me up.
Hey, you're going to go to jail, or you're
I'm not going to go to jail, mister. You're looking to the wrong lady. Don't you take my dog, you louse.
Stand up.
You fit my dog, and I'm going to sue this country like you know.
A minute.
Eu tô perguntando se ela tem alguma síndrome, alguma coisa. Porque se a pessoa tem algum problema, uma deficiência, a gente entende.
Bater palma pra ela.
A gente entende, mas a pessoa não tem nada, não tem trocado nada. Tô gravando a sua cara. Porque você não tem empatia com as pessoas. E isso é repugnante. No século XXI, a pessoa não tem empatia com uma criança. Porque se fosse com um adulto, tudo bem, agora com uma criança, é demais.
Oh, I love Elon Musk. He is the best. Elon! I am so...
The flight became unbearable because of her constant shouting. Passengers solved the problem not with confrontation, but with absolute collective ignorance.
You're the reason we're getting kicked off. Gene, we're not getting off. Excuse me. It's our anniversary. No.
The customers on the aircraft was not cooperating. We're going to have to get everyone off the aircraft and then reboard. As soon as the sheriff gets here, we do apologize.
What did we do? I am. Can you tell me what we did? Listen, you gotta get off the plane because we're Trump supporters. Seriously. I really think that's what it is.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Can somebody grab her? They're gonna stop the flight. Don't grab me. Oh.
She told me, oh, that kid, you need to chill out. That has nothing to do with that. You're kicking my seat. There's a whole bunch of y'all on the seat, and y'all see it smush, kicking the shit out of me. I'm the only one right here. All right, if I took the roll, I'm gonna ask a couple of y'all, we both getting irritated. You kick me, you talk to me like I'm a child. I'm a grown. He decided not to say nothing. He decided not to say nothing.
Hit me with your phone. Acting like a bitch.
I can be all that. I apologize.
And smartwatches. Please switch them.
You're recording me, but you jumped in my video, so I caught you because you jumped in my video. You're harassing me at this point, so I think you should stop. I think you should stop. I think you should stop. You see him, right? Y'all see him, right? Y'all see him, right? Okay. Okay, but I'm sorry. It's not me. Talk to him. No, ma'am. Don't talk to me like that. I'm an adult. Do not talk to me like that. Do not talk to me like that. Tell him to stop. If you do not know what's going on, do not yell at me.
You can stop recording.
No, I'm not going to start recording because I was making a video to myself. I'm going to not start recording.
She began screaming without warning, loud enough to disturb every passenger within range and bring the attention of the entire surrounding cabin onto her.
No, that's illegal. You didn't get my permission at all.
Do you realize what you're doing?
While you're at it, can you put my glasses?
This is my fiance. Okay. I'll stop when you stop.
I'll stop when you find my glasses. No, because that's disrespectful.
I'm disrespectful? Are you kidding me right now?
How did I disrespect you?
Oh my God.
How did I disrespect you?
We've been listening to your crap for hours.
These 2 lanes. How did I just
No, you stop. You stop, I'll stop.
Yes, it is.
But you guys, when I was making check-in, they asked me, do I know English? Yes, I said.
And they said yes. I understand that, but it's also off of their judgment. I'm not going to do this back and forth. I will call a supervisor. You can either take a different seat, or we can go ahead and escort you off the plane. Which one are we doing?
Okay, I'll call a supervisor and then we're gonna have to remove you for a different flight. Josh, do you copy?
Leaving bags behind isn't a suggestion during an evacuation. It's the difference between everyone getting out and someone getting left.
Help me up, please. Yeah. Okay.
What did you do? Yeah, what did I do? Huh? Where did you forget your phone? My phone? Yes. What did I do?
Charles, walking to my butler like that.
God, just go! Да не свърши мача, за да се рапа. Снами всеки си прави каквото иска в тази държава. Не спазва никакви правила. Има правила. Чантата, влизаме, че трябваше да направиш. Точно. Полиция няма какво да е тук, няма какво нас да ни казва. Вижте това, ако някой може да не може да свърши работа. Да, бе, дайте. Дайте след. После ви казват, че утре ще сме ние. Утре ще сме ние за 1 сантиметър. Значи, иска се пребрал.
If you enjoyed this video, we know you will like the one on the screen. Just go ahead and click it to start watching.